Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today what we're going to do is we're going to start preparing this 911, this 2007 911 for a concours that's coming up in June of 2026 over in Lake Placid. So I have the privilege of helping my father-in-law detail this and prepare it and get it ready for that show. And we're going to do a step-by-step using nothing but, or mostly nothing but, ADS products. Bradley and I had talked, and I told him about this project, and he was nice enough to send me over an entire package of all of his products. So we're going to sift through all of his products. We're going to try every one of them. 99% of them are going to be used on this car, including his coating. So I'm excited about that. Let's get right to it. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so what I want to do is I want to show you exactly what Bradley sent out to me. He sent me a whole bunch of different things. So this is the entire packet. Well, actually, he sent me more than this, but this is most of it. The wheel cleaner, decon soap, panel prep, tire cleaner, shampoo plus, pilot, iron, amplify. I'm really excited to try amplify. I heard a lot of good things about that. His 30 milliliter of the ceramic coating, and then clean, which is what we're going to use today for the interior. We're going to dilute this 1 to 10. We're going to use that on the interior. We're also going to use this on the convertible top to clean that off and prepare it. We're going to put it in this bottle, this IK sprayer, and we're going to use it on most cases, right? If I feel like we need something a little bit stronger, like a 4-to-1 ratio, then we'll go to that. But mostly it's going to be 1 to 10. And we have a couple scrub brushes we're going to use for the interior, including the one that Bradley sent out to me, which is this one. So I'm excited to try that out. But let's get right to it. Let's mix this up 1 to 10 and then try cleaning up some of those stains inside the interior. So what we did is we filled this up with some warm water. So I have 450 milliliters of water in this, and I have what's technically just about 50 milliliters. So 45 milliliters are clean, so we're going to put that in here. And that'll be our mixture for whatever we do. So whether it's the interior or the convertible top, we're going to use the same mixture, right? So we're going to use that as the all-purpose cleaner. I know he has another product, and that's the Pilot, but that's more of a detailer rather than a cleaner. So, but it does have some cleaning agents, I believe, for Pilot. Let's see what that says. So introducing Pilot, a meticulously crafted all-in-one solution for interior care and protection. So there's a little bit of protection in this also. Pilot caters to the discerning needs of automotive enthusiasts, engineered to excel in all interior surfaces, hard plastics, trims, fabric, all that. So what I compare this to is kind of like an interior detailer from Geon, which is something else that I like. So we're going to try that a little bit later. But for now, we're going to use Clean, which is their all-purpose cleaner, 1 to 10. And we're going to mix that up in this IK sprayer. And I think it'll work really well. So we're going to try that along with the scrub brush and get right to it. So, all right, so let's take a look at the areas that need to be cleaned. So we got the back side of the seat, and then some of the carpeting here and there, not much. Basically, a couple stains here and there, and then the side. And then we're going to clean off, see if we can clean off this entire seat and see if it gets that cleaned up really nice. And then we could use the Pilot on top of it, and if that adds a little bit of protection, that'll be good. So let's get right to it. Yeah, so we're a little bit further along with the cleaning of the seat, and that's actually looking really good with the 1 to 10 mix. So it cleaned up all of the staining in through here. This little plastic piece where the airbag is perfectly clean. It took off all the staining that's up top and through here. This entire back area looks much, much better. I mean, I don't know if you could see that, and I'll try to do like a before and after, but yeah, it looks much, much better using that clean. So now we're going to take care of the other side of the seat. We're going to take care of this and through here, and then we're going to take care of the seat itself where people sit, right? Back side of this, all in front through here. And you're going to see a before and after big time with this seat, I have a feeling, right? Get rid of some of the oils, make it look a little bit more OEM, and take care of that. All right. Take this out. Yeah. All right, so I'm going to like stand back here and see if I can clean the back side of this a little bit easier. Woo! This is made for little kids, right?
Yeah.
What I like about this is it doesn't foam up crazy bad. You know, it just basically just foams up a little bit so you can agitate it, know exactly where you're working. So it's nice. And it has a citrusy smell. Kind of like an orange peel scent, which makes sense, right, with a citrus cleaner. I think the back of your seat is starting to look better than your front now, so we're gonna have to change that. Wow. Wow, that's impressive. For sure. Now, how far back do the judges go? I mean, they're gonna move the seat up. They're gonna take a look at this stuff, or how?
They won't do anything other than look at it.
They'll just from the outside look in and see. Okay, so they're not.
The top will be up.
The top will be up. Okay. Wow. This stuff is no joke. I think what I want to do is I want to take care of this too while I'm here. This one section here.
Yeah.
Is this leather? Yeah. Oh, you can see it melting off, Jeff. Wow. Wow, that's no joke. Okay. I think he's got something really good here. I'm gonna do a little bit more on the sides. I should have done it before and after for this. Wow, okay. I think that's pretty good, damn good. What do you think, Jeff?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's great.
Wow, okay. So I think we're gonna see a big difference on the parking brake. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to kind of like work on the parking brake now.
Okay.
And kind of show a before and after for that. That's going to be pretty incredible. But this came out great. I'll take a picture of that. And that'll be the before and after for the parking brake. Cool. One step at a time. Let me bring this camera in a little closer. We're going to attack this parking brake now, because this parking brake is a little bit dirty. Let's see if I can get a close-up with this camera. I don't know if this camera does it justice, but we're definitely going to clean that off. We're going to let it soak for a moment. And then go from there. Holy cow. I think it definitely improved it. The question is how many times do we hit it? I mean, this is definitely a little bit on the browner side.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. I would leave it.
I don't want to go too aggressive. You know, maybe in a little bit or something we'll hit it again, but I think this is 10 times better for sure. That's good. But you can see how much dirt we're getting off. I mean, look at this. Yeah, that's all in there. So I think what I'd like to do is I'd like to try the seat, right? The driver's seat, and get that cleaned up. Because since we did the whole backside, I mean, the center console now is like, that's looking great. I mean, that's looking really good, actually. That looks brand new. But maybe I'll clean this a little bit. But then I really want to hit this seat. Let's do the seating. Let's do a before and after on the seating. So we can see the bolsters and all that kind of stuff. I think I took a shot of this before. But yeah, we're hoping to see a significant difference there. And then we'll show the after. All right, so I want to show you the after results of this seat, and I'm blown away. I am blown away. This is a car that's got, how many miles, Jeff? 122,000 miles, and this seat looks like this now. And all I did was use clean. This is unbelievable. Look at the bolsters. This looks like a 20,000 mile car, not 120,000. Side of the seat looks great. Back side looks fantastic. The judges are gonna look at this just from a distance outside the car. They're not gonna like move anything. But if you're looking at this just at face value, this thing looks incredible. Incredible. The center console piece, this thing blew me away. That cleaned up really nice. And then obviously you have your parking brake. That maybe we'll hit one more time, but I'm not really convinced that we need to. This is just age, right? So you just have to remember that. And then I did in through here, did all of this, got that cleaned up inside here, all through the nooks and crannies. Took care of that on both sides. And then came down here on this leather piece in here, and it just looks great. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna tackle the doors, get them all cleaned up, take care of all the staining, some of the oils and stuff, you know, obviously the handle here, get that all cleaned up. But I think once we touch every single piece in here, it's gonna look so much better and so much more prepared for the concourse. So I'm excited to see that happen. So just want to say, Bradley, thank you so much for getting me all those products, and just starting with clean alone just blew me away. So I'm excited to try the other products and get to it. So we're getting this thing ready for the concourse, and we're hoping that we can get at least third place, second place, or first place in this division. So we'll see where it goes. So thank you so much, Bradley, for sending this stuff out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.